Milano. This is outside from the city, a little bit 2 kilometers from the city. This is the place where the Channel 5, before the Channel 5 Berlusconi channels was in this place. Now it is already transferred to Colonia Monsisi. Look at this nice fountains, nice buildings, nice. Before this one is a famous. This one before is a famous restaurant full of people, and that one is the hotels. When there are visitors came from the other countries, came to interview in this channel. So look at here, there's the fountain. Before there are lots of ducks here. Now I don't know where are the ducks. Maybe they go in other place, or they bring in the other place where there is